Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I'm here at the Sennheiser stand, and I'm here with Heston from Sennheiser. Why don't you introduce yourself and then we can...
My name is Heston, and basically I take care of the consumer sales channel for Sennheiser Middle East. We have actually been a part of GITEX since 2007, but we've always been a part of our distributor, that's Jumbo. So our participation has always been with our distributor, having a representation with, and this is the first time we've actually got our live demo units along with the products. So the basic experience, feel and factor that we want to actually get back to our customers.
So what sort of, obviously you have like the sales and the live demos over here. What sort of impact does GITEX have for you guys in particular, or in the past and even this year?
I think more important, this GITEX has been a kind of an experience that we want to actually give to our consumers. It was part of our PR activity that I had decided to do a kind of a consumer feel. We have got promoters who have been going around and showing the headphones, displaying it, and actually getting the customers to experience our headphones. Also creating more of brand awareness in the market. Since we are the #1 headphones across Europe, Germany, we want to bring that same experience and feel to our customers down within the Middle East. And I don't see any reason why we cannot do that going forward. And as we always say, that Sennheiser is a brand where you need to experience and have the feel of the product. So that's been our role, this GITEX. It has been very successful. Nevertheless, getting people to listen to during GITEX is a tough task, but I guess when people actually listen to quality headphones and listen to the music that comes out, they are more bound to stand a little longer and listen to the headphones, which has been very good for us.
And with GITEX this year, have you guys launched any new products that you want to share about?
Yes, as a brand, we constantly launch new products. This GITEX, we have launched the RS220, which is a new wireless headphone in its kind. It's one of the first kinds in its technology because we have the wireless headphones with a built-in amplifier. So the kind of results that you get from these wireless headphones is equivalent to some of our headphones that need amplifiers to basically power these headphones. We've also launched a new technology when it comes to noise cancelling headphones, which is the CXE700. This particular noise cancelling headphone is an in-ear, and it has 3 different modes that you can actually use on the aircraft, and it has been very successful because of the kind of response that we've actually been getting for these. And as we progress during the end of the year, we will have a lot of overhead headphones and in-ear headphones that we will be launching simultaneously. So I guess people should be just watching and waiting for new products that we have. Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot for this.
And have you experienced any of the headphones yourself?
We will soon. And again, GITEX is going on for another 2 days, so all of our listeners can come in, check it out for yourselves, and yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.